Today I bring to you the 3 reasons to learn Portuguese. Yes, but before all, my friend, please make a like in this video, subscribe and share this content to more people. So by this way, YouTube can deliver this content to more people. The first reason to learn Portuguese is that it's spoken by more than be attention. Or being clear for you, speaking Portuguese, you can live, work and visit Portugal, Angola, Brazil, Cabo Verde, Moçambique, Guiné-Bissau, São Tomé, Guiné Equatorial, Macau and East Timor. You see? 10 countries you can work, you can visit and you can live normally speaking Portuguese. And the most important is that Portuguese is present in all continents over the world. Point 2. Being Portuguese present in all over the continents, it means that you are full of opportunities for working in Europe, Asian, American, in Africa. Only in Africa you can work, live and visit how many countries? Angola, Cabo Verde, São Tomé, Guiné-Bissau, Moçambique, the country that is full of beautiful beaches. Angola also it is. Cabo Verde is full of beautiful girls. Ay, ay, ay. My friend, have to learn Portuguese. 3 and the last, but first, please, my friends, subscribe to this channel, make a like and share this content to your brothers, to your WhatsApp groups, to everyone, so that by this way YouTube can deliver this content to more people. Continuing, I agree with you that it's very difficult, it's very hard to learn Portuguese, principally the grammar. But even so, I gotta tell you that you were not born for the easy things. You were born to the big things. If you wanna be big, you gotta learn, overcome the big difficulties. I gotta tell you that Portuguese can be the instrument that is missing to change your own life. Rich people are people that speak more than 2 languages. You agree with me, that's why you are watching this video. If you really want to learn Portuguese, please send me a message in the link below. And don't forget please to make a like, subscribe to the channel and share this content to more people. That's why I count with you in the next video, and I hope your message in the link below.